Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Forex Xcode indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us both identify market trends and issue buy-sell signals for us. Additionally, we can use it as a trailing stop. When we have blue lines below the price, it indicates an upward trend. And when we have red lines above the price, it indicates a downward trend. Also, at the start of an upward trend, it types the word buy here for us, which we can
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
use as a buy signal. At the start of a downward trend, it displays sell here, allowing us to proceed with selling. Additionally, in the upper right corner of the chart, it shows us both the trend direction, whether it's upward or downward, and the last signal that was issued is displayed here for us. We can also use these lines as a trailing stop, meaning when we enter a buy trade here, we can place the stop here, and as the price moves upward, we move the stop along with this line upwards until it hits the stop here and we exit the trade. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The longer we set this period, the more reliable signals we will have, and trend changes will occur less frequently. The next option is the stop loss size, which is issued in the alert for buy-sell. It specifies the stop loss there, and here we can determine in points how many points the initial stop loss should be. The next option is the alert. If it is enabled when we have a trend change and a buy-sell signal is issued, it will generate an alert for us and display the entry price and stop loss in the alert. Let's test this indicator live on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.